All change day. I love Soul Infinity. Let me go in here and see if they have some treats for us. Oh, they tripping today. I don't know today. Soul. Y'all know y'all done tripped out these cookies. Let me get up on this Wi-Fi because I'm ready to pull my laptop out. Oh, they have sweet tea. Let me get some of that. Okay. I'm sure I have to put my own sugar in it. Oh, they fancy with the water. Okay. Oh, fancy. Oh, look at me. Hey, so, $159 later for oil change and my inspection for my car. This is what they came back with. I need 4 new tires for $2,769.20. Okay? So no, thank you. I'll pass. Discount tire. Here I come. Okay, y'all, your girl is starving after sitting up in Infinity Soul for 2 hours waiting on my car to be serviced because I refuse to take one of their cars. I'm always so paranoid when I have to get around. But hey, I'm hungry now, so I'm up here. Y'all like poke bowls? I'm up here at Malibu Poke. I'm gonna go in here and get me a poke bowl. Let's go. And here's my bowl. Can't wait to eat it. Yum, yum. So I'm sitting in the car and I'm eating my poke bowl and it's good. I got the spicy tuna bowl. It has serrano peppers in it, so that makes it the heat a little bit extra. So you can like tell them not to add the serrano peppers, but it's so good. And I had them put shrimp on it too. This is the tuna bowl. So good. So if you like poke bowls, come to Malibu Poke. It's real good. Right over here off of Oklahoma. Okay, bye. I'm finna eat the rest of my bowl. Yeah.